Hey ladies and gents, new range test. We have Lynk Co 08 plug-in hybrid with 200 kilometer range. Charged up the car to 99%. I've reset the trip computer. Heading to Zadar to see how much we can pass with one charge. So currently this is the range, 186 kilometers. I did reset this one, so we're gonna see what's the power consumption. It's pretty high because we just started, but we're gonna see how much we're spending and how much we can pass. After the battery gets depleted, we're gonna see what's the fuel consumption on empty battery on the highway. On the open road, I got 5.5 lowest, so combined 6.5, which is the declared WVLTP. Well, stuck in traffic, but consumption started dropping as well. You can see here 16. Seems like it was construction, so we really lost here almost an hour. Well, it turned out it wasn't a construction, it was a police blockade. They're looking for someone. Little update, we're passing Vasiljevo. So far we passed 84 kilometers. So not too bad. So we definitely lost maybe a few kilometers in that stop where we were waiting in traffic. But considering everything, I'm driving here according to the speed limit, 100 or 110. Trying to see if we can do max possible of the declared range on the highway. Okay, just past Ogulin. 103 kilometers behind us, 81 kilometers of EV range left. Okay guys, I just passed 150 kilometers since charge. It says here 13 kilometers to go. I'm very close to Otočac, as you can see here on the map. I think we're gonna make it just the exit for Otočac, which is also a Tesla supercharger as a reference. So considering the traffic and everything, I think this is fine. I'm driving here 110-15 because it's a 130 speed limit, but I just wanted to see how far I can stretch the EV range. So just past Otočac exit. And 8 kilometers of battery left. Okay guys, 2 kilometers left and I just got this battery yellow, so it's depleted. If I switch here to the trip computer, you can see consumption was close to 22. We're still driving EV. We can say here we've passed 160 kilometers. Now, the consumption 1 liter is, I was driving in a hybrid, I've realized it turned on, like right now. The petrol, so I switched it off to full EV mode, but now it automatically switched. Next is now driving with an empty battery on petrol. We're gonna see what's the actual fuel consumption. I'm gonna be driving now 130, maybe 140, a little bit, something between that. And mostly sticking to the speed limits. We'll see. But guys, I have to hand it to Lynk Co 08. This is the so far the furthest I've passed with a plug-in hybrid in a fully EV mode, and that's pretty impressive. Of course, on an open road you can get up to 200 kilometers or maybe even slightly more, depending on your driving style. I have to hand it as well that petrol seems powerful enough and it's not too loud. Okay guys, I have the cruise control on. Now, this is the feature I was trying to show you here, lane change assist. You're supposed to change lanes automatically when you use a turn signal. It was working, but for some reason it did not want to do it now. Now there's nobody behind me, so I'm just gonna engage the turn signal. Now it's doing it by itself. You can see here. So basically it does work, but it needs to see your face all the time, and you need to keep holding the steering wheel, because if you don't, and it keeps popping a message to keep your hands on the steering wheel, it won't do it. So we just passed 200 kilometers. That's the fuel consumption combined. Sorry, it just goes away automatically. And I think I'm gonna reset this one. So we're gonna see how much is just fuel in that next 100 kilometers. Hey guys, so here's the consumption with empty battery, combined 3.3, but it was 8.3 when I was driving on the flat 130. Now we're descending, so it dropped to 7 liters, probably going to drop more. So that's what you can expect with the empty battery fuel consumption. Now guys, you're wondering, if the battery is empty, how does the petrol feel? I'm flooring it now all the way. Speeds up nicely. It's not bad. Going uphill, so it's not too loud. It's just easily picks up the speed, and it's pretty good. Well guys, we've reached our destination point. So to see the consumption combined 3.6, but just on fuel 6.3. Maybe more realistically 7 if it weren't going so much downhill. Hey guys, so here's a little demo of the Matrix LED headlights. You can see that the car is creating a shadow for the car in front of us. And the oncoming traffic. Car passing me, so you can see now the car is creating a shadow. A little bit more of Matrix. There's a lot of traffic this night, so it's not ideal to show, but regarding consumption, you can see the data here in hybrid mode. Well guys, a little observation. When you're driving in the hybrid mode, it does actually recuperate decently. It brings a few kilometers back into the battery. But if you're driving only EV, it wasn't that efficient, I think. At least what I've experienced. Hey guys, so here's the consumption after a trip. So with charged battery and hybrid, you get 8 liters, maybe 7. Well guys, before I end the video, thank you for watching. Give this video a like. You can update your software update for the car. I've just read a comment. There's a software that has shortcuts for switching quickly off the speed limit, chim, and so on. I just couldn't download this update because the car isn't registered to me. So if you own the car, you can download the latest software. They fixed some of the things that probably should have been from the start there, but they did do that, so check that out. Thanks for watching. Bye.